Welcome back. 90 points higher now on the index, and we are heading towards that 25,200 mark now as we speak. 300 points higher on the Sensex as well. It's a bit of a spike that we've seen in the last few minutes. We pull up Reliance Industries and ICICI Bank, the two contributors that have led this up move so far. Reliance continues to remain a percent, almost Reliance and ICICI Bank too, 0.7% higher at the highest point of the day. What has also moved higher is Mahindra and Mahindra. Infosys is seeing a bit of a move higher, and Bajaj Auto too among the top gainers on the Nifty today. And shifting focus now to the commodity space, Manisha is joining in, and today we are putting the spotlight on an IEA report on global energy investments, Manisha.
Oh, well, yes. A couple of IEA reports that have come in last 2 or 3 days do tell you the story on how there's not so much of investment going in for the fossil fuels or for crude oil and gas, etc. When you look at the numbers that IEA has put out for the US markets as well, we've seen a record 13.5 million barrels per day of production in this quarter, but they expect that to decline to 13.3 in the next quarter. And that's exactly what this table as well tells you, that even as IEA believes that the global energy investment will touch a record $3.3 trillion of an investment in this year, the fossil fuels will just about get 1.1 trillion of that. Double of that, which is $2.2 trillion, is what is actually going in for cleaner energy technologies, including renewables, nuclear and energy storage as well. So when you look at within these numbers as well, as you can see, the solar power stands quite tall at around $450 billion of an investment that the street is anticipating in this year. IEA believes that the battery storage could see a bit of a decline in sense of investments at around $66 billion. But it is going to be grids. Electricity clearly is going to be on the top of there, where you are looking at $400 billion of an investment coming in for this one as well. Solar, as everybody is talking about, whether it has been about the US markets, European markets, Middle East and Asia as well, has been looking at very, very strong numbers there. For the Indian markets as well, the latest data that has come in shows you that between Jan to April, the first 4 months of this year, the solar generation has been at a record high of around 32.4%. So solar clearly looking at very strong investment. The generation numbers also quite mirror that.
Thank you very much for that. We will slip into a break on that note. We'll come back and address the market technicals. Mitesh Thakkar joins in with his top trading bets.